Hi, I'm Chef Akhtar Nawab, and we're gonna make our Southern Soul Gumbo with chorizo and shrimp. I feel like I started at my mom's house. I went at a pretty young age. I went out to San Francisco, and I went to the California Culinary Academy there, and really understood what good ingredients were. All of these things go in. Pepper separately, because that's such an important part of this Cajun cooking, is that black pepper. Our herbs, so thyme, a little bit of chorizo I'm gonna cut into not so thin pieces really. In goes the chorizo. So now I'm gonna add these shrimp. Soul satisfying type of dish. Delicious.